always a challenge for Shopify stores to acquire new customers for their business. And if you're struggling with high customer acquisition cost, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a strategy that could not only reduce your CAC, but also make your customers happy? Hi there, this is Urvashi back with another video in the free gift series, and stick around till the end if you want to reduce CAC with free gifts on purchase and increase profits. First things first, let's break down what CAC is. In simple terms, it's the total cost of acquiring a new customer. Think of it as a price tag on making someone go from just browsing to take my money. It is calculated by dividing the sum of your marketing and sales costs by the number of customers acquired. And let's be honest, acquiring a new customer can be much more expensive than keeping an existing one. The average CAC in e-commerce across industries is $70. It's a crucial metric because it directly impacts your bottom line. The lower your CAC, the more you can invest back in your business. But how does offering free gifts fit in here? One of the prominent strategies to reduce CAC is to offer free gifts. The concept is straightforward but powerful. Offer a free gift with a purchase to incentivize customers to buy. To make this strategy cost effective, you need to be smart about what you're offering and how you're offering it. And before you say, but free gifts cost money, hear me out. The art is in selecting gifts that are low cost but high perceived value. If CAC is $70, you just need to keep the cost of free gifts less than $70. That way, you're spending the marketing cost wisely. Now let's talk about different strategies to implement this. Strategy number 1, retargeting old users. Remember those customers who bought from you once and then vanished? It's time to bring them back. Plan targeted emails and SMS campaigns through Klaviyo or OmniSend, offering them a personalized free gift. This approach not only makes them feel special but also reignites their interest in your brand. But remember this, not all customers need to be targeted equally. Segment your customers based on their last purchase time. Break down the segments in purchase in last 6 months or 12 months, etc. And then offer free gifts that are relevant and appealing to each segment. Strategy number 2, sample gifting. Giving away samples as free gifts is a great strategy to reduce your CAC. In the previous video, we talked about how Sephora gives free sample with each purchase from their store. You can do something very similar for your store. But how will it reduce CAC? Here's the thing. When you offer a sample as a free gift, you are introducing them to a new product without spending extra on the CAC. It reduces the risk for the customer and increases the likelihood of them purchasing the full-sized product later. It's a win-win. Check the store MJ Fitness. They give a free sample gift with every order that crosses the $150 limit. The creative part is that they don't even tell the shopper about the gift when they are shopping. It's a mysterious gift for them, increasing excitement. So when the user receives this product, they are definitely excited to use it. This helps the store market a new product without spending a lot in the CAC. You can easily set up such free gift campaigns for your store using the Kite app. Kite works with all Shopify themes, giving you full branding control and uses the latest Shopify tech. It's everything you need to set up free gifts and discount on your store. A free plan is available, find the link in the description. Strategy number 3, referral rewards. Encourage customers to become brand ambassadors by offering a gift for every referral. This turns your satisfied customers into powerful, cost-effective marketing force. You don't have to spend a lot on acquiring a new customer when your existing customers are the one introducing your business to them. Take the example of this fashion store Girlfriend. They give away free leggings when someone buys from their referral and an additional 30% discount to the person you refer. This proved to be a successful strategy by making 10,000 orders on the day of their launch. Now we would love to hear from you. What's been your experience with offering free gifts? Drop your stories and questions in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos in the playlist where we talk about everything you need to know about free gifts. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.